How to create arrow on After Effects? Well, you cannot create arrows on After Effects. What you can do is use a paintbrush and paint an arrow. But to create a perfect arrow, it's really hard and you need to get like an animation experience so you can do that. It's really hard. But what you can do is if you want to animate an arrow, you can easily just download these arrow images from Google. You can just search for red arrow or curved arrow, any kind of arrow you want, and download the image and just drag and drop it over here on your After Effects. So I'm just gonna go to the project panel at the top left. You can see project. Over here, I can just like drag and drop my arrows image over here. Once it's added over here, I can just drag and drop this arrow on the timeline and it's going to be added over here. Now I can do whatever I want with this image. I can even put another video below the arrow and make the arrow play around over here, or make the video play around. Just do whatever I want. I can add effects here to change its color. I can do like basically all this animation thing over here on top of the arrow. Instead of me have to just like building the entire arrow and animating it, I can just like download an arrow and then animate it. That just solves the problem. That's how we guys can get arrow on After Effects. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.